willing to spend crores of rupees for smart cities, but no paisa is allotted to Adarsh Gram Yojana. See, the government has also, the state government has not motivated the state government employees to implement Adarsh Gram Yojana. They are just wandering from place to place, not knowing regarding the resources available to them. See, there is no compulsion that MPLAD funds has to be used for Adarsh Gram Yojana. But on my own, the Rashol village which I have chosen, I have recommended 5 projects. Let me see how far these projects go. Now question is, according to me, Panji city which has been chosen, they say, for smart city project, at least 10,000 crores will be required. From where this funding will come, I don't know. And secondly, whether in the first phase of 24 cities, whether Panji is included or not, is also not very clear. Perhaps Mr. Manohar Parrikar, who was a former chief minister and present defense minister, may use his influence to get included Panji in the smart city. And we'll be happy if that happens so. But the planning has to be done. The plan for Panji has to be prepared for a smart city. And when regional plan has not been prepared, there will be doubts regarding any plan for smart cities being operational. Secondly, one of the things which I have learned is smart cities are going to be implemented under centrally sponsored scheme. This is a novel thing. We thought that everything will be done by central government. Now it is centrally sponsored scheme. That means state government will have to contribute a substantial amount, and state government does not have money to spare. So these things have to be made clear.